There's fun in learning around the bend. You could even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and CoCo Science Show.
Hey guys, welcome to Allie and CoCo Science Show. I'm sick today. And it's raining, so we can't really go out and film a video like we wanted to. But I do have some footage from when me and Colette went to Kanapaha Botanical Gardens here in North Central Florida. So it was really fun. Colette loves to sniff plants, so that was very exciting. And I got to see one of the plants on my bucket list, the giant lily pad, so you'll see that one. So enjoy the footage, and don't forget to comment down below the answer to the question of the week, which will be, what's your favorite activity to do when you're sick? I like to watch fun movies and drink lots of tea. Yeah. Also, Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or you love all the cool plants that we see. And also, don't forget to follow our social media. We have a Facebook, an Instagram. We're still doing that reduce resolution. And we have a Twitter as well. So if you guys want to follow us on any of our social media, that'd be awesome. And also, I am running a half marathon on Earth Day with my best friend. She'll be in Washington, I'll be in Florida. So we're actually raising money for two different organizations. The Ocean Conservancy to educate, clean up pollution, and fight for the ocean, and for a local animal shelter in Seattle. So if you guys have $1, have $10, whatever, you don't have to donate, but the link will be in the description. If you can't donate, try and share the link. Someone has to have $1, right? Do you have $1? Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Enjoy. You can also comment down below what your favorite plant that you see is. And go check out a botanical garden. They're so much fun, and some of them allow dogs. So, bye, guys. You gonna say bye? Say bye. Bye.